Drop by. To visit someone briefly, often without prior notice. I'll drop by your house later to give you the book. He dropped by the office to say hello to his colleagues. Drop in on someone. To visit someone informally. My parents dropped in on us unexpectedly last night. Feel free to drop in any time you're in town. Drop off. To fall asleep. I was so tired that I dropped off during the movie. The baby dropped off in the car on the way home. Drop off. To take someone or something to a specific place. Can you drop me off at the airport? I dropped off my laundry at the dry cleaners. Drop out of. To quit school, a competition, or an activity. He dropped out of college to start his own business. She was doing well in the race, but had to drop out due to an injury. Drop back. To move behind in position. The runner dropped back after getting a cramp. Sales dropped back to last year's levels after a short increase. Drop away. To decrease in number or intensity. Attendance at the club meetings dropped away over the years. Their support for the project dropped away when the budget was cut. Drop behind. To fail to keep up with others. He dropped behind in his studies after missing school for a month. The company dropped behind its competitors due to poor marketing. Drop through. To fail or not be completed successfully. Our vacation plans dropped through because of bad weather. The deal dropped through at the last minute. Drop down. To move to a lower position or level. The temperature dropped down to freezing last night. He dropped down onto one knee to tie his shoe. Drop someone a hint. To give someone a subtle clue or suggestion. I dropped him a hint about my birthday, hoping he'd remember. She dropped a hint that she wanted a raise, but her boss ignored it. Drop a bombshell. To reveal shocking or unexpected news. She dropped a bombshell when she announced her resignation. The company dropped a bombshell by revealing huge losses. Drop like flies. To fall ill, die, or give up in large numbers. During the flu season, employees were dropping like flies. The players were exhausted and dropping like flies by the second half. Drop one's jaw. To be extremely surprised or shocked. The price of the car made me drop my jaw. His performance was so amazing that everyone's jaw dropped. Drop dead gorgeous. Extremely attractive. She walked into the party looking drop dead gorgeous. That new dress makes you look drop dead gorgeous. Drop in the ocean. A very small or insignificant amount compared to what is needed. My savings are just a drop in the ocean compared to the price of a house. The government's donation is just a drop in the ocean. They need to do more. Drop a line. To contact someone, usually by writing or calling. Drop me a line when you arrive in town. I haven't heard from him in ages. I should drop him a line. Drop the ball. To make a mistake or fail at something. I really dropped the ball when I forgot about the meeting. The team dropped the ball and lost the championship. Drop everything. To immediately stop what you are doing. When I heard my mom was in the hospital, I dropped everything and rushed there. The manager dropped everything to handle the crisis. Drop your voice. To lower your voice, usually to speak more quietly. He dropped his voice when he mentioned the secret. Please drop your voice, we're in a library.